Okay, so for today's DMR, you are going to read a word problem and have to answer that question. So it says Rami has swimming lessons every 3 days and guitar lessons every 8 days. If he has both lessons on the first day of the month, in how many days will Rami have both lessons on the same day again? So you have to be sitting here thinking to yourself, okay, yesterday we talked about LCM and we talked about the key words that tell us that we're dealing with LCM. So I see the word both lessons or have both lessons. Okay, so I know that that means have both. Then we also want to know same day again. So when are you going to be doing that? Same activity on the same day. So that's what tells us we are doing LCM. So you have 3 days for guitars, and you have 8 days for guitars. 3 days is swimming lessons. So those are our key numbers that we are going to be dealing with in this. Okay, so again, you have your T chart that you have to make for LCM. T chart that you make for LCM. Your number on the top. Number on the top. Then your numbers. Now again, like I told you yesterday, if you need for it to go off the page, you can. So we have 3 and we have 8. So we have to list the multiples of 3 and 8. Again, if you need your multiplication chart, you can click on the interactive notebook that you have and it'll open up to the multiplication table for you. Or if you have your own, more power to you. So just start listing your multiples. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 24. Sorry, 3 times 9, 27. And 3 times 10, which is 30. And let me hit enter down again. So I usually go till about 10. Again, that's in your up to you, but go to 10 is about what you need. Whoopsies. Then you go to 8. So now we're going to do 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. And well, look at that. I could keep going if I wanted to, but I'm going to stop. And the reason I'm going to stop is because I see 24 and 24. So you guys are going to have the circles there, but I did not put the circles on the screen just yet. So you're going to have the circles, and let me make them really quick. So you're going to have these circles, and you're going to put your circles around 24. And then you're going to type in the box and say, in how many days will Rami have both lessons? Lessons on the same day. And you'll say, Rami will have both lessons on the 24th day. Okay, so there you go. There's your DMR.